Are you looking for a fun holiday craft that you can do with your children, your grandkids, or even your friends? I have got the bundle for you. It's amazing to think that you can really create something special with a little bit of watercolor paper and a little bit of paint. We're going to create some really fun designs with some of your favorite holiday icons like ornaments, trees, stockings, and even my favorite, Christmas gnomes. These classes are perfect for creating gifts for the holidays. Or maybe you want to be a little bit selfish and just keep them for your own home decor. This collection consists of 3 amazing courses. In the hand-painted holiday card course, I'm going to show you how to create 4 fun designs using a block painting technique. They're really fun and easy. These techniques you can do with your children and your grandkids, and anybody at any level can do it. The holiday canvas art is a wonderful way to create those special pieces that you can actually display on mantles or shelves or even in your office. You can also create these as a wonderful gift for the holidays, and you can customize them for each person that you're gifting them to. In holiday wall art, we will be creating 3 beautiful paintings that are pine inspired. These are projects that look very complicated, but I'm going to show you my simplified technique step by step so you can achieve the same look. This collection of 3 courses includes 5 hours of holiday fun. Happy holidays, everybody, from my studio to yours.